Hey guys, we are gonna make some pumpkin spice latte jello shots for Thanksgiving. Firstly, we are going to add 2 cups of hot pumpkin spice coffee, and to that add 6 ounces of unflavored jello. Next, we're adding a total of 2 cups of liquor, and this you can kind of play around with. I ended up using a cheap gold rum first because I wanted to get rid of this bottle, and then I added some spiced rum, but I definitely think you should add some rumchata in there because that's what's gonna give it that latte vibe, you know what I mean? Anyway, whisk it up and put it into some souffle cups and put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Unflavored jello has a thicker consistency than regular jello, so feel free to add a little bit more of the liquid components. And if you want it to be extra bougie and boozy, top it off with a boozy whipped cream and pumpkin pie spice. I have a video coming soon about the boozy whipped cream, so stay tuned. But yeah, that's pretty much it for how to make these jello shots, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving.